Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in today's new video. Today I am going to discuss about this website known as wise.com. So do watch this video till the very end and stay tuned while I will share its most important features. Also do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So please stay tuned till the very end. So as I have mentioned earlier, today I'll be talking about this website which is actually a web store called wise.com. Basically this web store offers various smart home appliances like cameras and auto cameras, switches, bulbs, etc. So basically nowadays everyone we want to buy the smart home appliances, but when we look at the price, we often tend to give up on this idea, looking at the price tag. But this particular brand V's, they have this motto of making affordable smart home appliances which come in which is very budget free basically. So let's move forward with this video. So as you can see, I have opened the website. This is the home page. This is how it looks. It looks very attractive, and basically they have listed all their products and their features along with their price. This is switches and then bulbs. Now let's go to their shop and see all their products. Navigate shop. This is their shop site. As you can see, they have listed all their gadgets. Let's go to this smart camera. As you can see, there are reviews as well. They have mentioned the price as well as their features. Below, they have mentioned all the features and everything about the product, about its design, etc. So as you can see, there is add to cart, but they have not basically mentioned their payment modes, as they have said that you have to first create an account and then only the payment modes will be more visible, and even the shipping is not mentioned. Let's go back to the home page. So let's move further and see whether this website is actually legit or not. But before moving further, I would like all of you viewers to please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. So let's move forward. So the first thing we have to see whether this website is safe or not. So there is one rule for checking the website safety, that is there should be HTTPS on the beginning. So as you can see, there is HTTPS, which means this is a very secure website. So as per my research, I have checked the age of this website. This website was registered back in 1998. So basically 22 years back. But the company, they have recently launched their first product, which is in 2017. But don't worry, this is nothing to be scared of. Basically, they have registered their website long back and they have worked on it, and then they have launched their first product in 2017, which is nothing to be scared of. And as you can see, the price range is very in budget and it is very budget friendly. So there is no need to stress on your budget as well. And if you go down to about us, we can see more about the company. So I have read all of this, and in short, to cut it short, I can say this company was founded by 4 members who are engineers and who used to work in Amazon. So basically, they all 4 came together with the motto of making very budget-friendly camera. This back then, the cameras were actually very costly. So they all came up together and built this company. As you can see, this is their company, how it looks like, how successful it has become over the years, and they have basically gained 100 employees with them till today as we are talking. They have not mentioned their contact IDs or contact numbers, but they do have mentioned this support. They have mentioned support Go to contact. This is the contact us page. This is customer support, what I was talking about. Then this is the community. And the community basically is a platform where it lets the customers share their experience and share their feedbacks. The support basically, if you send them an email, they basically within 1 hour they contact you back looking at your query. Then the refund policy is also mentioned. But before, let's look at the social media presence. As they have mentioned here, they have social media presence on various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, having a very decent fan following. Let's go to the returns and warranty. Basically, I have studied this whole policy, and in short, to tell you, the return is available within 30 days period of from when you have purchased it, and they have also given certain conditions for return policy. They have said that the product should not be damaged, etc., etc., and the product should be purchased from this website only. That is the main website. Then only they can initiate a return. And there are customer reviews on this website. If you go to a product shop and go to product, basically you will see the customer reviews and the ratings. Yes, see, there are ratings and there are reviews as well. So, as per my research, I've come to the conclusion that this website is very much legit, and they have customer reviews in huge, and majority of the customer reviews are positive. So, if you are planning to buy home appliances from this website, then please do go ahead and buy from this website, as it is very legit and the products shown are also legit and very good and up to mark. So with this we come to an end of the video. uh, I would like to say thank you to all the viewers who stuck till the end of the video. And lastly, I would like to mention that we read all of your comments on every video, so please do please do keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you.